Hey guys, it's your girl Miss Nadia T, and I'm back again with another video. And today is going to be another cooking video, of course. And today's video is going to be how to make your own bomb garlic parmesan chicken wings at home. So we're just going to get right into it today because I'm just so excited, and I love me some garlic parm wings. I don't know about anybody else, but we're going to get right into it. And it's super easy, it's super tasty, and let's just get right into it. So the first step is we're going to clean the chicken. So I have some chicken wings that I cut up. So I'm just going to show you guys how I clean the chicken. I'm just rinsing off every piece of chicken and all that. So let's go into that part and we'll get right to it. Okay guys, so now the chicken is all cleaned up. So now what we're going to do is we're going to season the chicken. And I would recommend not seasoning the chicken too much, just because Parmesan cheese can be a little salty, but you do want your chicken to have some flavor. So what I'm going to season my chicken with is first some seasoning salt. And I'm going to put like a dash of everything. Again, I cook food based off of like I don't use measurements, so but it's always up to like your discretion. I'm also using a little bit of Slap Your Mama, is Cajun seasoning. I don't think it's too spicy, so I use that. Then I'm going to go in with a little bit of some garlic powder, always good on some chicken, and just a bit of some chili powder as well for color and flavor purposes. So now I'm going to mix the chicken up, and yes, I did wash my hands. And usually when I mix chicken, if I don't feel like the chicken is coated enough, I will put a little bit extra seasoning. And I am going to put a little bit of extra seasoning, and I'm also going to put some olive oil on top of the chicken, so while it's cooking, it can cook well and not really stick. So here we go. I have some extra virgin olive oil that I'm going to pour on the chicken, just a little bit, just whereas though every piece of chicken can get coated while it's cooking. And then I'm going to add a little bit more garlic powder. And a little bit more of Slap Your Mama. Mix it around. And now it's time to prepare the chicken for the oven. And I'm going to put each piece of chicken out on the cooking sheet. So we're going to get into that right now. So as you can see, I have a piece of parchment paper, and it's amazing when you're baking chicken or baking food on parchment paper. So I'm placing the pieces of chicken on the parchment paper, giving them about an inch or maybe half an inch of space between each other, just so they can cook and have their own space. And this is why you coated the chicken with olive oil, because when it's on parchment paper, it will not stick, and it will just bake and crisp up very nicely and easily, and brown up. So now that the chicken is all laid out on the cookie sheet, it's time for it to go in the oven for a good 25 to 30 minutes on 400. Okay guys, so now it's time to make the sauce. And as you can see, I have the butter over a pot of boiling water because it's better to melt butter like that. So I have it in a regular pan, a regular bowl, and I have the metal bowl over the pot of boiling water. So I'm melting the butter down, and as the butter is melting down, I can start putting the ingredients inside. So the first ingredient I'm going to put in is some grated Parmesan cheese. Putting a little grated Parmesan cheese in there. Again, I'm not putting a lot of grated Parmesan cheese just because I'm already going to put some other shredded Parmesan cheese to top it off. So you don't want to put too much cheese, even though they're garlic parm wings. You don't want to put too much cheese. So I'm putting that. I'm putting a little bit more chili powder, just so it can give it a pretty color and a pretty aftertaste. I'm putting some parsley flakes. A little bit more slap your mama. Some actual real garlic. I'm just gonna mix it up a little bit. And a little bit more garlic powder. Okay, so the sauce is finally ready. The butter is all the way melted. The wings are ready, so now it's time to dip the wings in the sauce. And you want to make sure every wing is coated nice and like fully. So every bite of it, you're tasting this amazing sauce. So as you can see, I'm putting the wings in the sauce and I'm going to mix it up. And then we're going to plate them. So I decided to show you two ways of making garlic parmesan wings. I decided to show you a more dry wing and a more wet wing. So I'm going to be showing you that in the next clip. So first we will be doing the wet wings, the wings that are coming straight out the sauce and they're fully drenched in sauce. So I took the wet wings out and now we're going to add a couple garnishes to complete the plate and complete the wing. So now for the dry, they're still going to be coated in sauce, but we're going to pop them back on the cookie sheet and we're going to throw them back in the oven so the sauce can like bake into the chicken and dry into the chicken. Not necessarily dry, but you know what I mean. It's going to bake into the chicken real nice and give it that nice flavor coating. As you can see, the chicken is out and sizzling. And now we're going to give this chicken a garnish as well. Okay guys, so as you can see, this is how you make the garlic parmesan wings, and I can bet you they will be the best wings you've ever had. So I have the wet version and I have the dry version, the version that you can put in the oven. Either way is optional, it's all how you like your wings. But that's it. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe, and see you guys in the next video. Bye.